Hello viewers, welcome to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional foods. So thank you so much for choosing Rebikit. If you are new in this channel, feel welcome. Please consider subscribing and view my videos, share them as much as you can. And also try to browse the membership pack so that you can or you can join the family. And please don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebikit Foods, don't skip the ads. Guys, today I just want to make just as I've told you that Rebikit Food is a channel of quick recipes. I want just to show you how to prepare fried rice, especially if you have guests and you don't have time. So these are the kind of recipes that you can do very fast and very easy. So please keep tuned and let's cook. Ingredients that I'm going to use: I have some diced carrots here, I have green peas, I have peppers, I have the yellow, red, and green as well. I've just chopped my red onions. I have ginger and garlic. And I'm not going to use any spice at all. I just have a light soy sauce, vegetable oil, and salt to taste. So keep tuned, guys. It's ready. I'll just add some onions. So you let them cook until they wither or they become translucent. So keep tuned. So I will add the peppers in. So I love them blanched. You can put any spice of your choice. So the spice I'm going to use is just turmeric. I'll just add some salt to taste. Not so much. Then some turmeric. And that's all. So I'll give it a good mix. But guys, this is a very quick recipe that you can make. So after this, now you can, if you have rice, you either pre-boil rice, or maybe leftover rice, or if at all you add a parboiled rice. This is when you can add it in. So keep tuned. So guys, once this is ready, I'm just going to add my rice now to this. So this is a parboiled rice, or if you have a leftover rice, you can add now to it and give it a good mix. Here you can see how my rice is so appetizing. So you can just add little water so that it cannot stick. And then you cover it. So I'll mix up everything well. And now the next thing I can do is just to add a little of light sauce, light soy sauce, not dark but light. Then mix it up well. and then I'll cover it and let it cook. And at this time now you can reduce the heat. Just cover it and give it about 2 minutes, and then at this time now you can reduce the heat so that it doesn't burn. I told you that it's a quick recipe. Already it's done. My rice is done and it's ready to be served. Just wait and see how I'm gonna serve it. Thank you. Hmm. So nice, guys. Please view this video and try it. Throw your comment there and tell me what you think about my rice, fried rice. Share as much as you can. And now for this rice, you can serve it with any kind of sauce, meat, whatever kind of sauce that you want. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.